Welcome back to Alleviated.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bree. Today we're standing at our new distillery in Mount Holly. Get used to looking at this site because this is exactly where the bar is going to be. Today we're making a fall old fashioned.
Yeah, we got some great drinks coming up for you this month, but I wanted to start off with kind of a little classier drink for you. So keep an eye out for the Queen Charles Reserve coming up.
Let's get into the recipe.
Let's go.
That's how you make the fall old fashioned. I like this a lot. Normally I like the 1 year a little bit better. That's a personal preference for me. But I really like the oaky flavor that really pulls out from that 4 year. So why don't you tell us a little bit more about the drink?
There's not too much going on. Like I said earlier in the video, trying to get you a little classier with this one. So your uncle that's off in the corner, not really having the party drinks, is probably gonna be something that he likes. Pretty easy to make, just a little bit of 4 year, just giving you that oak that she was talking about. I wanted some spice in there as well, just for the sweetness, and you get a little bit of that vanilla, and I love how the vanilla from the spiced rum pairs with the oaky vanilla that comes from the barrel sugars that you get from the barrel aging process. So the same kind of vanilla that you get in bourbon is the same kind of vanilla that you get out of this 4 year here. Maple syrup, I mean, it is how it is. This actually is a cinnamon infused maple syrup. Use whatever you like. There's also like barrel aged maple syrup out there, which is actually pretty cool.
Be cool.
And then my favorite part of this is actually these bitters here. So this is a ginger, turmeric, and aromatic bitters. They're made by Crude Bitters up in Raleigh. It's got a couple other things on the back in here like birch and jasmine and that kind of thing, but it adds a lot of depth to this drink that it might kind of be missing otherwise. And also, right before we cut the camera on, we kind of tasted it. It's like, it's kind of smoky, right? So I'm not sure where that's coming from, but it's delightful.
Yeah, I definitely like this drink. Normally not an old-fashioned drinker, but I can definitely see myself sipping on this one for sure. I like that it has the honey and the spiced rum in it. I like my sweet drinks. I'm still young, but I think that everything pairs together really well. So check out the recipe in the description below, and make sure to check out our website and come visit us at the distillery, and stay tuned because you're gonna wanna check out our bar here when we are opened up, hopefully early 2024. So stay tuned for that. But until next time, we'll see you guys next week.
Cheers.
Cheers.